How to operate your Backyard Pro seafood boiler cart. First, make sure the gas supply is in the off position. Next, slowly turn it on. Then use a long reach lighter or a match and a match holder to light the desired burner. Light the second burner from the opposite side. Note, if the burner does not light within 5 seconds, shut off the gas and wait 5 minutes for it to clear, and then try lighting the burner again. Once the flame is lit, you can adjust it using the regulator. Finally, turn the gas supply to the off position when finished. It's also important to properly clean your Backyard Pro seafood boiler. We recommend cleaning the unit before the first use and after each use. Shut down your boiler and allow the unit and water to fully cool down before draining the water. After draining the water, rinse out any remaining residue or seasoning. Wash the unit with mild dish soap and a clean dish rag. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or scrubbing pads as they may damage the unit. When finished, thoroughly rinse the unit. Do not use spray cleaner to remove grease or food debris. If food remains stuck to the sides, let the unit soak, then scrub the sides with steel wool. If hard water causes discoloration, fill the unit until it reaches the level of the discoloration, then boil a mixture of water and vinegar for 5 to 10 minutes. Please tighten hardware after every cleaning to ensure longevity of the unit.